All right, we're out here for a free second opinion. They said that it's R22, which it is. They said it's low. They do not have R22, and it's going to be $25,000 to replace this unit. It is an 030, 2.5 ton unit. Let's see how low it is. I do have the R22, and I can go ahead and add some and see if we get this customer going. See where their pressures are at. Remember, it's R22, not 410. Suction's not too bad. So we are at 50 PSI, about 175. What do you guys think? Should we add R22 or should we go with the new system? Remember, he was quoted $25,000. I can do this one for 10. But tell me what you guys think in the comments. Like and share. All right, Super Techs. Customer wanted to go with R22, so went ahead and added some R22. We're at about 38 degrees saturation temperature, 90 degrees, 81. We're at 9 degrees subcoolant. Customer's good to go for now. I'm gonna give him a 1-year warranty. Tell me what you guys think in the comments.